What's going on? It's your boy, Nathan Salathong, back with another video today. I'm just kidding. Sorry if that was a little cringy. I'm in a good mood today. How's your day going? It's nice and sunny today. Thank God it rained yesterday. It's not like 90 degrees with 100% humidity for once, which is amazing. So yeah, walking around, I've seen people like in the neighborhood just, biking. I've seen a couple bikers today. I saw somebody skateboarding. Got a fly in my arm. I saw a family walking together. I saw people biking and like somebody was also running with them. So, just some good vibes out here today. It's like 70 degrees, just about 9:30 in the morning. I feel like I'm walking to like a summer camp or like a bus stop or something because I got my backpack on and I'm just walking around outside on the sidewalk and stuff, and I'm like saying hi to the people in their driveways and stuff. So all around good vibes. I'm in a good mood today for some reason. Hope your day's going just as well, and if it's not, I mean, there's always time to change it, right? As long as it's like not 11:59 p.m. you got time to turn that day around. You could always turn it into something good. I'm on my way headed to the park, to like a little playground today for, a different kind of filming location. I see it over there. But because I brought my tripod in the bag, that's why I have my bag. So if you enjoyed the vlog style videos, I was enjoying the vlog style videos, but I think I'm gonna do a little sit down today because I don't know how long this topic that I'm gonna talk about is gonna be, but my arm gets kind of tired when I'm walking around holding this thing up for like damn near 20 minutes because I record a couple videos at the same time, if you haven't noticed. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, set up the camera in the playground, and I'll see you there. And we have arrived to the nice playground. When's the last time you've been to like, a playground like this? Probably for me, it's been probably a couple years. I'll find a nice place to sit, probably here in the shade, and then I'll give you the nice backdrop of the playground. All right, I scrapped the playground idea. It's over there in the background, and I'm just headed to a location that I've recorded at before. But yeah, there are some kids there and their families, so I wasn't trying to like impede on them having fun. I mean, I sat around, engaged with the kids and their parents as well. Their kids are something interesting. I'll probably talk about that in another video, but we're gonna talk about something different today. Today we're gonna talk about the problem of being a Hamza copy. So a lot of the times when people are making these new YouTube channels, especially like younger kids, I guess even including myself, we're very, impressionable, and we take the ideas of others, especially with the internet again as well. So with the internet, I've explained this so many times before, but the algorithms are delivering you the content that you're searching for the most and that you engage with the most and that keeps you on their platform the longest. So here's an easy example with politics. If you are a super liberal person, all your social media feed, like aside from people that you're following, so like on your explore page or your whatever for you page on your timeline, stuff like that, stuff that you're not like actively following, you're going to see content that is aligned with your views. You're going to see liberal content if you are a liberal and you engage with those kinds of posts. That's just what the system is designed to do. So when we make our YouTube channels and what we're doing right now, a lot of the ideas aren't original, especially if your whole like business model or YouTube channel model is just taking the ideas that Hamza has been preaching on his channel and then you just go and say it in your own words. That's not creative, that's not original, that's not what's going to make you stand out, because why would somebody watch your channel if you're literally just repeating whatever Hamza just said? And he's like a bigger channel, more well known, he does the editing better, he does like all of that more intensely, and he does it just better than somebody that has a lower production value, or a lower budget for their production, you know, stuff like that, less resources. So you can't really compete in that sense. So that's really the main problem with people that just try to copy what Hamza's doing and like go and take whatever video ideas that he's done in the past and just implement it for yourself. And I know I've thought of that personally, because of the fact that, you know, you want to imitate success, and that's like, imitation is the highest form of flattery or something like that. It's like the greatest compliment, because if somebody's trying to imitate you or do the same thing that you did, then obviously you've done something right. And so that's probably what the philosophy of a lot of new YouTubers, that's what they employ, is they're like, hey, this Hamza guy, he started off doing these types of videos. I'm gonna try and do the same thing, but with my own voice and my own personality, and then maybe I'll end up where he is today. But that is just not how you know, break the cycle of innovation. That's not how you create content or things on this platform that is so diluted and so hard to grow on because of the fact that there's just so many other people out there, and you're just not going to grow doing the same thing that somebody else has, for one, already done, and you're not going to be able to grow doing the same thing that somebody else is already doing. You have to put your own spin on it. And there is an argument that your own spin, like putting it in your own voice and you being the one to record it, is your own spin, but I don't think it's original enough, right? You have to do it in a different way. I do think it's helpful in some instances to hear the same idea or the same concept, but formulated in a different way or heard through somebody else's own interpretation, because that's kind of, it allows people to digest things a little bit better, hearing different ways to provide that information rather than just hearing it one time. You know, it's like you're in high school or something, and then the teacher explains calculus one way, and then you just didn't understand it the first time. Him explaining it that same way over and over isn't going to help you. So hearing maybe your friend who has an A+ in calculus, having him explain it to you for you to try to understand it, might be better for you to grasp the concept. So that's the idea of like how other people formulating these same ideas and regurgitating them could be of value, because, you know, if someone puts it a certain way, it might resonate with people a little bit better than a way that somebody else has done it before. So I guess that is one way of providing your uniqueness and providing value to this broad marketplace of YouTube, even though it's quite hard to do so, I must say. I also might have screwed myself in that sense, like when I was starting this, instead of like starting a new YouTube channel, I just kind of continued uploading on here when I already had like some sort of a niche built in, and then I completely switched up the content. But aside from that, enough bitching about my own channel. That's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about being a copy of Hamza. So, you know, you can't just regurgitate the same ideas, just take so if Hamza uploads a video and then you watch the video and then you basically just say the same thing in a video that you create, where is the value coming from there? There's nothing that's special about that. You have to come up with your own ideas, and you have to think outside the box a little bit. And I'm gonna create another video, probably the next video that you watch or the next video that comes out, which will be an extension of this video. So if you want to go watch that, check it out, like over here, I think. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.